So hi guys, the YouTube channel One Two Step, where today I'm here to show you on how you can post Instagram Reels from your PC. To do so, first of all, search for Facebook Creator Studio on your Google Chrome and then go onto its link. After you do so, you will load up on a different page like this one, and here you can see an option for login with Facebook or login with Instagram. Click on login with Instagram. And now, after clicking on it, it will take you to different page for Meta Business Suite, where you need to connect your Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. And here, after connecting your account, you can see these options pop up, like create post, create reels, or create story. Here you want to create reels, so just click on create reel. After you do so, you will take it to a different page, where now you can select the type of video, add its details that you want to put on your Instagram account. On the media option, you can just click on add video to choose the video that you want to upload. You can select any video of your choice you want to upload. After that, just open it up. And now it is time to load up completely. In the meantime, you can just fill out its details like the caption, or you can also choose a thumbnail from here, or you can also upload the thumbnail that you have made from upload image. After doing so, just click on next. And after clicking on next, you can see this is an edit option. You can edit the video of your choice however you like. You can add music, tune it down, or even crop it if it doesn't meet your size. And after editing your video, just click on next again. And now this is the final process that you need to complete in order to upload your video to your Instagram. You can see this. If you want this to be public or private, you can choose this. And after that, just click on share and the video will be uploaded to your Instagram. This was for this video, and that's how you can upload an Instagram Reels from your laptop. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you find that video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Till then, take care.